Hello, I'm Travis. I'm with Modern Exterior. I'm out here in the Greenfield, Greendale area looking for hail damage so we can see about getting roofs, gutters, siding paid for by insurance companies or just a deductible. Now, when we are out here looking for certain things, there's a few things that we primarily will look for. So number one is going to be bruises. So if I flip my camera around here, now there's a lot of ways that you can find them, but primarily what you're going to see is spots where the actual granules are missing. So for instance, if we're looking at something like this right here, now if you can see that black asphalt underneath, that is a good sign that was a hail strike, just because there's not a whole lot of things that will knock those granules off in a circular pattern like that. Now, the reason that insurance companies pay for this kind of damage is because when it gets exposed from the granules being knocked off, basically with the elements, wind, sun, rain over time, it's going to break down. And then that asphalt actually stops being a barrier against the rain going into the roof. So from the insurance company's perspective, it's a lot cheaper and a lot more effective to replace the roof before there's problems, as opposed to after the water's already gotten in. So once again, I'm Travis. I'm out here in Greenfield. I'm with Modern Exterior. Thanks for tuning in.